How to render using Eevee in Blender. First of all, go to the Render Properties panel and choose Eevee from the Render Engine dropdown. Eevee is a real-time engine, which means it renders much faster than Cycles and is great for quick previews or stylized project. Next, scroll down to the sampling section. You will find settings for viewport and render samples. For most scenes, setting both to around 64 works well. You can increase the render samples if you want better quality, especially for shadows and lighting. After that, enable key features to improve visual quality. Turn on ambient occlusion, bloom, and screen space reflections. These options simulate realistic lighting effects and give your render more depth and realism. Then, go to the Output Properties tab to set your resolution. Make sure it's set to your desired dimension, such as 1920 by 1080 for Full HD. Now, check the Output section to choose where your final render will be saved and in what format. You can select PNG for images or use a video format like FFmpeg for animations. Once your settings are ready, press the F12 key or go to the render menu and select render image or render animation. Since Eevee is a real-time renderer, you will see the result much faster than with Cycles. Finally, to save your render, click Image at the top of the render window and select Save As. Pick your location, file name and format, then save. And that's it. Now you know how to render using Eevee in Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.